Ready to be wowed by some seriously strange cloud? Meet the mesmerizing mamatus. Mamatus clouds are those bubbly pouch-like formations hanging down from the sky. They're kind of like nature's way of showing off. These clouds often show up during severe weather conditions, but don't worry, they can also appear when the sky is calm. So, what makes them look so unique? It's all about ice and water droplets sinking instead of rising, creating that surreal bumpy look. Next time you spot these clouds, just remember, you're witnessing one of nature's coolest tricks. Want more mind-blowing facts about our world? Hit that subscribe button and stick around for more amazing discoveries.